Just say if you do this kind of work.
Carry am. No, I go do am.
A day job na 2,000 naira.
No, I don't mind, sir. Thank you very much.
Are you sure you'll be able to do this?
Yes,
You
sir.
go
I
fit do am.
can do it. Thank you. Sham. Okay. Like this. I know he's my boyfriend.
Now your boyfriend?
Yes.
You serious?
Please, baby. What's wrong with you?
Wait, let's leave. Are you going to leave him here?
I know seeing people are looking at me. Should I'm dressed like no, sir.
I still won't give him bread.
You pick the bread and eat. Are you not hungry?
No, you say.
I'm very fine.
You say? I know they hear you. Come closer.
I mean, say, I find work. I don't know if you give me where I go eat.
Which kind of work?
The one way they do anyone. If not carry him, I will carry him. And if I work, I never eat. I need to eat with my sisters too and everything. I've been making help now. Pay, sir.
Just say if you do this kind of work.
Carry him. No, I go do him.
Okay, Sam. You see, at the load food. You go carry this. You go carry this and go drop am. And you see that place? Yes, and they fill am. You go use am fill am. And a day job na 2,000 naira.
No, I don't mind, sir. Thank you very much.
Are you sure you'll be able to do this?
Yes,
You go
sir,
fit do am.
Thank you. I can do it, sir. Thank you.
Well, na push am make I see.
No, push am. Okay. Like this.
Like take am plenty. See where you go. See where you go. At this time place. You hear me?
Yeah.
So if you put
I have
this.
some of it.
Yes.
Okay.
So do no time. I get another place where I won't go. I get another place where I won't even go. See again. But if you see your strength together. Okay?
I have strength. Hi. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
You say, I know they hear you, madam. You say,
I'm looking for a boyfriend. He's like tall and fair.
okay, now me call you.
Yes, someone called me.
And I can't just today. I can't make I even go close to her. Come now. I can't make I go close to her. No, I can't see contact
He
information.
usually keeps my number in his wallet.
Yes, I call you. Sam, you don't hear. You know him.
I know he's my boyfriend.
Now your boyfriend.
Yes.
You serious? You don't do it for like 3 because me, I get everything. I dey work for here. You know this and I mean this and feel. We don't start feel inside this house too. Inside this one too. See am now.
Chris, baby, what's wrong with you?
He never chop. He never chop since. The best thing na because he dey hungry. If you buy am food, maybe he go calm down.
Baby, wait, baby! Oh my God!
Chris,
What is?
madam, you know,
Baby, it's me. It's
not a matter of baby. Make we, if you fit carry am, make dey carry am go hospital.
Oh my
Make dey
God.
carry am go hospital. Make dey treat am.
Babe, listen, calm down. It's me. Don't you know me again? Babe, no. Please.
Wait. Call people. You don't see am. Boyfriend on the mad. Maybe you need to call people go hospital. Make dey carry am go psychiatric hospital. Make dey treat am.
Yo.
And they come o.
Okay. What do you know what like happened to him? Or...
I know I dey work for here. I just see am for here.
Oh my, Pastor.
You see?
I've gone to a pastor before and he told me he's doing Yahoo. Could it be the result of it? Eh? Could be the result of it.
Yahoo or no Yahoo, that doesn't stop you from taking him to the hospital now.
Ogami, I can't go. The way he's treating me. Isn't it embarrassing? For someone
Will
that
you
is
leave
dressed like
will you
this.
leave your boyfriend like this?
Are you serious? What do you expect me to do?
But both of you stay in the same house,
He's
right?
mad, literally. He's even from some kind of stuff.
But you guys live in the same house. You stay in the same
No,
house.
I don't want to go
Come
there.
close and not be your guy, not be guy,
No,
not be your boyfriend.
I don't want to go there again.
Come
Please.
first, not be scared.
Oga, please, people are around. You people not even see me with this kind of
Let's take
person.
him. I want to do something and take him out of here now.
Yeah.
It doesn't need to be here. And you don't need to stay here.
Yeah.
Mm.
I can't do. Maybe you do it for me. I'll pay you money.
How will I do it? I get money to carry and go hospital.
I'll look for money from his ATM now. I'll pay you. Why is he even smiling like that? What's funny? Look at where you are.
You never chop. Maybe you find food. Go buy and food. Maybe chop.
I'm begging for money.
Maybe they'll calm down. Then they say shop there. If you buy food for them.
I'll just give him the please not be like I'm
But please, I want you to take him out from here today.
Okay, I don't know about that one.
Come on, things dey happen though. See that guy there? Over 3 weeks. He's a craze now. Young fine boy like that. Like see, the guy they do the pastor they tell make him even say na so in the
But I shouldn't give her that reason to leave the guy like that now. And he even looks like my late brother,
You say?
sir. He looks like my late brother.
I
I'm
tell you
just
say look like your late brother.
He
You
looks
never even come closer.
normal now.
Look like your late brother.
Yes, he's God. Who can be like this?
Do work. I believe that guy. All these Yahoo boys now so they do go.
The bread and water. So I can manage it.
I go give him now. Come
But
now.
which one is I should go and give him?
Let's go together. Are you scared?
I cannot go there. Already people are looking at me.
Are you going to leave him here?
I know seeing people are looking at me. Should I'm dressed like no, sir.
But I told you, food this not be food issue first.
Oga, you said you that called me. Still help me and do half of the job.
Do I know him? I know him. I come to here. I come here. Come do my work now. I come here. Come do my work.
Please. I'm not doing anything. I can't do this, please.
How am I going to help you? Well, let's go. Give her now your guy. Not be your guy. You say you love her, not be guy where you love. Let's go now. See, auntie, I get another job. Wow, I get some. I won't go. You waste my time now.
Please.
You not go here. This guy don't go now.
He's not hearing his name. Is that not the name they gave him when he was born?
See, now this work you can't do. Come back here, Jerry. Now this work you can't do. Come, which will not concern you for here. Where they go now?
Let's reduce stress for me.
No.
I'm coming.